Hey guys, and welcome to.
Mary Girls,
And today we are going to be playing.
Tower of Fun.
Okay, so let's get right into the video, shall we? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh no, I died. Oh, but the graphics when you die are like really good.
Okay, let's try again. I'm following you, Marley. You made me die!
Wait, there's a pink square. Do I touch it?
No, you're not supposed to touch the glowing one.
Okay.
I'm following you. Now you're following. Now you're following me. Wahahahaha. Okay then.
Let me just say something. If you guys,
I died.
if you guys like Roblox and subscribe, please do. And like the video.
Also, give us game recommendations. We will play any game you want us to play.
Yep, as long as it doesn't cost money. I have Bloxburg, so I can play Bloxburg.
Me too. Ooh, we should do a build challenge.
Ooh, we should. I died. Oh, no, this crow just kicked me off. Awesome bean.
Like, subscribe, and click the notifications button if you would like us to do more videos just like this.
Oh, no.
Ha ha ha! I'm already on blue.
I'm on blue too, and I just died on blue.
Wait, how'd you get to blue before me?
I don't know. I was already on blue. I don't know. I just died again. How do you beat the blue part?
Ha ha ha! Yep. Ow. I died.
Oh, I figured it out.
Okay. Let's come back when we have more progress. Hey guys, and we got to green. Not that far, but it's more than we were on before because we were on blue. Yes. So we need to. Okay, Marley, do you want to do a race? Let's see who could finish green first. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I died. Wait, hold on. I didn't know that.
Ah,
How
okay.
to beat this?
I'm gonna go on shift block because that's easy.
What's shift block? Oh. I didn't even jump. I just. Oh, come on.
This is not fair to the community of Claire's.
Wait.
Did you just rejoin? Oh no. Oh my god, we literally have 5 seconds. Come on, and we're done. Okay, now we're in a new tower. A new one.
We're gonna lose again. Let's go.
Okay. Thanks for the positivity, Marley. I'm gonna win, and you're.
Walk into it because I missed my jump button.
Come on, we're literally.
This is the worst part about playing Lotso.
Oh my god, I literally just went on a laser and I didn't die. Is there Never mind. I thought there was shield, so I just jumped into a laser and I died. Marley, we're not losing. We're actually, like, good.
We're doing something.
We're doing something. I died. And I didn't even touch anything. Let's go.
I see you. Ooh, this color matches you, girl.
Oh, yes. Why is my face, like, I can't see my face in this game. Like, I have a plain face in this game. It's very weird.
And I died again.
I'm so amazing at this game.
Honestly, this is my first time playing this game, so cut even slash, okay?
I've been preparing for this moment all my life.
Sure.
Oh god, I died.
Oh, you've been preparing for this moment a long time, huh?
Oh my god, Marley. I died again.
I'm on yellow now.
I'm on yellow. You can't beat me, Marley.
We'll see about that. And just because I have the rookie card doesn't mean I can't beat you.
Yes, it does, Marley. Yes. I fell!
Oh, I made it. I'm making it.
Wait, you made it?
Are you kidding?
Of course we're kidding, Marley. Did you die?
Died.
Because if you died, then I'm not kidding, you died.
No.
I got to green. You're welcome.
I was so close to green, I could see it every time I jumped, but then I died.
I'm so pro at this tower. I've literally never done any of the levels in this tower.
I keep dying.
Are you okay?
No. No.
No, I'm not okay. Thanks for asking. Oh my god! Please say I'm on pink. Wow.
We're at 5 minutes, and
I'm gonna win. I will win.
okay, I will allow you to win because technically we're on the.
No, you will not allow me. I will win. Because you failed.
Wait, hold on. Shout out to I'm not gonna say his name, but person in my art class. Shout out to him for giving us the name of both the running combined. Shout out to myself. Well, actually, shout out.
Shout out to myself. I'm gonna shout out to myself for being amazing every single day.
This because I gotta go to the 99. So, yeah.
When he gets a pink, I will make it. I will make it.
Okay, Claire.
Yes.
I have to get off. I have to log off, sadly.
Okay. Let's end off this video with me winning. Wait, how am I not on pink? I'm gonna get to pink, and then I'll officially win. And then we're gonna end off this. Okay, no, I'm done. No pink. Goodbye, tower.
Goodbye.